A very good evening to one and all present here. Respected Lieutenant Colonel, Mrs. Reena A.S. Ma'am, distinguished guests, worthy parents, Honorable Director Sir, dear staff and my dear students. It's indeed an honor and joy to address you all and welcome you all on the 13th Annual Day celebration of Jason's Academy. The annual report showcases the achievements and glories of our school undoubtedly, but also makes us think deeply about our shortcomings. We have always been committed to create an environment in the school which help the young minds to blossom and provide a platform for individual thinking and holistic development of every child's personality. The school worked towards the development of the students in all aspects. The school always concentrate very minutely the teaching learning methods. So, the students who joined with zero level learning ability have acquired a highest level of learning ability. The school is exclusively an English medium school, but always keeps up the language of Hindi as its own regards and respect. The school is always promoting fluency in both the languages, that is, English and Hindi. We set standards and goals for ourselves and strive to achieve them in an academics, sports, discipline, leadership, and more. The main person behind the pillar of the school, that is our respected Honorable Director Sir, Mr. Jason Joseph Sir, whose legacy is remembered fondly. Strong leadership is the foundation of school success, and without you, that would not have been possible, sir. Because of you, our graduation rates are at all-time high. And thank you for inspiring our students to achieve their dreams every single day. Our Honorable Director Sir, Mr. Jason Joseph, have won many awards. Among them, the greatest was the Pride of Madhya Pradesh, which he has got by our previous former Chief Minister, Mr. Shivraj Singh Chauhan ji. Then he also had achieved Ramji Mahajan Award in 2015, Global Cancer Awareness Award 2017, Global Education Award during the COVID time, that is in the year 2022. Then a big round of applause for our Honorable Director, sir. I request all of you that the person behind all the things which you are saying is our Honorable Director, sir. Kindly clap loud for him. He's not only this, he also achieved Mimasa Award for the excellent management skill in the school, Jason's Academy. Along with it, he's also received recently Swami Vivekanand Award and IK School Award. Now, next comes our academics. Learning gives creativity. Creativity leads to thinking, and thinking provides knowledge. And knowledge makes us great. The year 2024 commenced on a wonderful note when the results of our 10th and 12th classes CBSE board examination came out. We are happy to share with the details of the commendable performance of our students. 12th class CBSE results were declared, and we are happy to announce of Jason's Academy obtained 100% result with all first divisions. Among them, Rajdandini Marathe, Ankita Yadav, Unnati Shrivastava, Arihant Prasad, Sakshi Pandey, Sonu Jaiswal were the toppers in their different streams. In class 10th, we were glad to announce that we got 100% result. Among them, Aryan Jain, he was the city topper. Please loud applaud for the child. He got 97%. Then comes our Anushri Panchal, Lucky Singh, Ekta Divedi, Kirti were all the toppers. Apart from board examinations, school also conducts various Olympiads in which majority of the students participate and show promising results. Among them, 18 students won gold medal of excellence in the International Mathematics Olympiad, and they even went for the national level. Two advanced were there for the nationals. We also conduct different exhibitions like science exhibition. Now comes the infrastructure. We have upgraded our infrastructure facilities, including our computer science lab, library. Currently we have physics lab, chemistry lab, bio lab, computer lab, and the internet facilities. Our school is running 3 branches. The one is in the Jason's Kids, the Chinna Park. The second one comes the Jason's Academy, Pithampur, and the third is the main campus, this one, that is the Jason's Academy, Badkhedi. Many milestones have been achieved and many more are still have to be reached. We at Jason's Academy will continue our unceasing efforts to mold the young minds into well-balanced personalities with confidence and zeal befitting the standards of the portal of education. This report is a sincere attempt to showcase our progress in terms of achievements and activities during the year. On this memorable occasion, as we round our success with pride and happiness, we wish to dedicate all our achievements to the committed effort of the committed team of Jason's Academy. Next comes are the staff members. Jason's family consists of well-trained, experienced and dedicated teaching staff, administrative staff and the supporting staff. Staying updated is the key to success in field, especially in the field of education. So for that, teachers are constantly strive to stay updated by attending various workshops and training programs. There is at least 65 plus staff in our school at present. Now health is well, we know it. So that comes with the sports activities. To be the great champion, you must believe you are the best. If you are not, keep on trying. Sports competitions inculcate the spirit of positive challenges and sportsmanship among the students. They prepare them for the life ahead. Sports, games and physical fitness occupy a place of importance in our curriculum. Our students participated in different sports competitions and won medals, certificates and trophies. Our students went to Vikrant group of institutions to participate for inter-school sports competition, where they won the gold medal. Our students also won in inter-school volleyball tournament which was held in IST College Indore recently. Jason's Academy demonstrated splendid performance and lifted the trophy. Youth Federation of India organized All India Youth Championship in the national level, and our students showed splendid performance and won 8 gold cup in the categories of volleyball, kabaddi, skating, which was held recently in Goa. A big round of applause for these kids for lifting these trophies. The younger talents like the class 2 student Rudransh Rohila made our school proud by winning gold medal in Taekwondo competition. Youth Sports Development of India organized Youth Elite Cup Championship 2024, in which students participated in cricket, volleyball, kabaddi and won first prize in all the categories. They also brought overall championship trophy for the school. A big round of applause because the sports are also required as along with academics. Now the school activities, all work and no play make a Jack a dull boy, goes the saying. So various co-curricular activities are held to develop the child physically, morally, socially and mentally, and to hone skills in co-scholastic areas. Regular various activities are held in which the students participate and display their caliber. The school celebrate all national festivals and all religious festivals with great pomp and joy. Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti, Diwali, Dussehra, Eid, Christmas, Makar Sankranti and so on. It's my duty and privilege on this occasion to express my sincere thanks to all the parents who laid faith on us and I promise the faith you laid upon us will be kept intactly with a hard working, sincerity and humility. And as we make our younger kids bright